And good Sunday afternoon to everyone. I want to get you up to speed on what's happening with your weather. It is the holiday weekend. Many of you have events and plans and some big festivities happening in and around town for this weekend on this Sunday as well as into your Monday. So let's start with the weather headlines. Scattered showers and thunderstorms already underway for those of you in the mountains and the foothills as we approach the 6 o'clock hour on your Sunday evening. Otherwise, many of us are dealing with the heat and humidity for today. I do want to encourage you all to stay weather aware due to the rounds of showers and thunderstorms that could certainly impact your plans both tonight as well as into your Monday for Memorial Day. So in terms of that severe weather threat, the outlook for today, we're at a low to medium risk. Those of you in the mountains, the foothills, the metro, you have the slightly elevated risk for storms to become strong to severe up until about 10 to 11 o'clock this evening. As in terms of your day tomorrow for Memorial Day, we once again have a low to medium risk for severe weather, but I do anticipate plenty of dry time in between any shower or thunderstorm. Also for Monday, we can have 2 rounds of storms. First, around daybreak, a secondary round of showers and thunderstorms will be possible for Monday afternoon due to the heating of the day. And as that front passes, it could trigger a few more showers and storms. And then by Tuesday, no threat of severe weather as we continue to dry out and conditions are set to improve. Now here's what's happening, how it looks outside across the area for today. It is a very warm, very sticky day. We had sunny skies to start off the day. Throughout the course of your Sunday, you've probably noticed the sky conditions have slowly changed. We have a few more clouds in the sky, and that's typically what we see during the afternoon hours, especially as we move into more of a summertime pattern. Temperatures at this hour still in the mid-80s after 6 o'clock, 86 in Charlotte, close to 90 still in Concord, 82 in Hickory, 72 in Boone, 79 in Morganton. So we certainly have the heat and humidity to work with today to help fuel the storms, which is why we wanted everyone to stay weather aware for this weekend. So let's take a look at the timeline. When could storms arrive? Well, right now, we're beyond the 4 o'clock hour, the 5 o'clock hour for those of you in the mountains and the foothills. So you're getting some heavy rain happening there now, some cloud ground lightning. It should continue through the mountains and the foothill up until about 7 p.m. Could have a little bit of a bleed over through parts of the metro, moving into Concord there, Salisbury as well, Lincolnton between 7 and 9 p.m. and then across the Sandhills up until about 10 to 11 o'clock tonight. Many of us should be in the clear from any severe weather threat before you head to bed. So let's start right now with radar. Here's what's happening now as we take a look in the mountains. Just after 6 p.m., we have a scattering of showers and thunderstorms out there. We have the lightning, and you see the reds and the orange showing up on radar. This is indicating some heavy rain is coming down in the western section of Watauga County. This is just west of Boone. Some of the higher terrain out there dealing with some heavy downpours, as the showers will be ongoing for at least another hour or so. So watch for some flooding concerns out there. No severe weather, but those storms are certainly strong for those of you in the mountains. The foothills through the metro still dry, but this will change over the next couple of hours. Here's the severe thunderstorm watch. This is in effect through 9 p.m. Notice we have our mountain counties from Ashe, Watauga, Avery counties, also Caldwell and Burke counties, up through Alexander, and as we move into Catawba, Iredell, and we have our counties to the north over by Salisbury, and then we can see that watch coming down towards, say, Concord in Cabarrus County. Futurecast shows us through 6 p.m. we have the activity happening now in the mountains, so it is doing a really good job of picking up on what's happening in the mountains right now. But notice as the trend moves through, we can see a few of those cells sort of break apart and then move and develop through parts of the metro, South Charlotte, also moving towards Albemarle, over towards Rowan and Stanley counties. This trend will continue through 8 o'clock this evening, and then by 10 to 11 o'clock, most of us should start to dry out and that severe weather threat will diminish through the evening. But then tomorrow morning, we'll once again have another chance of some strong storms early on, but the intensity could certainly weaken rather quickly, but we'll have to be mindful of the threat early tomorrow morning. And then by midday, we're looking at a break in activity through noon On Monday, this could be a little bit of a dry time, but also any afternoon shower and thunderstorm could be conducive to the heating of the day, to the atmosphere recovering and becoming more unstable. So any afternoon storms would be dependent upon what we get early on in the day. Will it stabilize the atmosphere enough that it would just absorb a lot of that energy? So right now, the coverage for Monday afternoon doesn't appear to be widespread, but where we have a shower or a thunderstorm, it can certainly be strong to severe with the heavy rain, the lightning, gusty winds. It can't rule out that isolated tornado risk. Overnight tonight, lows around 70, so it will be a rather mild night across the area. Tomorrow, highs will be around 84 to 86, so once again, a warm day out ahead of the afternoon shower and storm chances. Your Guy Roof and 7-day forecast. Looking ahead at that chance for severe weather once again tomorrow could come in multiple rounds, but it does appear we could catch a bit of a break tomorrow, but we have to stay weather aware for the afternoon in the event more of those showers and storms develop. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as well as your Friday, we're on track for some drier weather. Temperatures will remain warm, but the humidity levels will certainly decrease through the middle of the week.